Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we will going to create a register page so that user can enter the name, email, password, and then that data we will save in the database. So for that, the thing here, let's create your register page. So here we have mhm, your project stocks and make sure that you run your project. Okay. In my case, we have already running this project. You see, got it. So let me close this and then inside stock inside my app inside app. Okay, so make sure that go inside app. Okay, inside app, then here inside it create a new folder that is a register. So you write register, got it. Then inside it create a new file, page.js, got it. So now fine. Then here import the directive. Basically use client to ensure that the component run only on the client side, not the server side. So that here write the directive that is a use client. So here write use client. Got it. Then you're importing the necessary library and component from the React and the Material UI. You know that we have already installed the package like Material UI. So let me check again here. You see, just React and icon Material UI materials. Okay. So we have already installed all this library. So just here import the library. So here import use state hook from the React. Okay. So the thing here, right? The React. Then I think first let here go to the bottom and then define your register page component as a functional component. Okay. So the thing here, define your function that is a const register page register page. Then it make it a arrow function. Then inside it here, write the return keyword. Then inside it here use a react fragment so that you can render the multiple element. Okay, inside it. So just for now you write the register page. Got it. Not outside, basically inside your h1 tag. Just write here register page. Got it. And the thing here, make sure that export this component. Okay, so at the bottoms, then you write in the bottom just export the component. So here write export default your register page. Here write the register page. Got it. Now the thing here, let open your browser and then go to that page. Then you write the forward slash registers. Got it. Then you will see that here the text register page. Got it. Now you see that here you have your register page. Got it. So now here everything is fine. Then now let again open your VS Code. Then here define the state variables. Okay, like name field, then email field, password field. So here define all the field. Okay, one by one. So here define the state variable for the input field and UI controls. So the first state variable name, that is a name set name. So you write the const. Basically, this state variable hold the user name, whatever you type the name, that name we will hold in this state variable. Okay, so here const and then name, then set name, that is a functions equal use state. Okay, use state. And by default it is a input string. It hold the name input field values. Then after that the next is to hold the phone number input field values. So for that here also create a state variable that is a const and then we have a phone number of the users. Okay, so here we have a phone, and then the function's name is set phone, that is used to update. Okay, that is used to update the phone numbers. So set phone equal, then use state, and by default it is a empty string. Then here we have a next state variable, that is a email. Basically it is hold the email input field values. So you define that variable and initialize empty string. So here we have a const and then email variable name, and then a function set email and use state. By default it is initialized as a empty string. Then after that the next one is the field is password and set password. Okay, it hold the password input field value. So const, then inside it we have password, then set password use state, in the by default initialize is a empty string, you know that. And then the next one is to here basically create another state, and that is so password, and so password it is used to hide in the display your password. Okay, so on the basis of its value we will display password and hide the password. Okay, and initialize is a boolean value, that is a false. Okay, by default your password is hidden, but if user click on that particular icon, that is the visibility icon. Okay, we will import that icon also here. But the thing here, let explain here just now. Create a state variable. Okay, later we will implement a basically import that visibility icons. Okay, and implement all the functionality related to it. So here just write the const, and then so password, so password, then the function's name set, so password set, so password use state, got it. Then the next one is to control snake bar visibility for the user feedback. Basically for the messaging system, not a messaging, like you can say that a notification system. Okay, for the notification we will use the material UI snake bar component. Okay, so the thing here, for the snake bar also you create another state that hold the boolean value like a true and false values. Okay, so here also you write the const, and then open snake bar, just create a state variable open. Here write the open snake bar, and then set open snake bar use state, and by default I think here we have forget to write the boolean value. By default initialize is a false value, got it. Then here we have another state, that is the message display in the snake bar. For that also create a state that this state hold the data. It is a message or error message or success message getting from the server side. So that message we will hold in this variable, and then this variable we will use in snake bar. Okay, so the thing here, let create a that particular variable, that is a const, and then here is snake bar message and set snake bar message. So just here write snake. Here write snake bar message, then set snake bar message and use state. Okay, and it initializes by default is a empty string. Then the next one is to a type of alert in the snake bar, that is success or true. On the basis of this we will display the color, like if we got a error message, then display a red color, and if we get a success message, then display a green message. Okay, basically green color. Okay, you know that the thing here. Now let's create this state variable const, and then inside it snake bar severity. So you just write the snake bar. Then he write severity. Then the next is set snake bar severity, set snake bar 70 and use state, and here the by default initialize with a success message, basically success value. So you just write here success message. Okay, so here write the here is spelling mistake. Okay, now here we have Success. Got it. Now you have uh, created all the state variable. Got it. So for this, we will create a basically text field. Okay, like in the text field, user type something, and that value will store in the that field. Got it. So for that, here import the basically component from the material UI. So here import the component from the material UI. So just here go on the top and then here import. hmm Inside it, that is a component. I think container. So you write the container. hmm Container from the material UI. I think here just write. Then the next one is to grid. Now you will get the suggestions away. So find the. Then next is to text field. Text field. Then after that, the next is to button. Then next is to link. You have a link component. Then next one is to typography. hmm Typography. After that, the you have a box component. Here we will double commas. So remove first one. Then after that, you have a snake bar. Snake bar. The next one is the alert. Okay, alert component. The next one is the icon button. hmm You see here we have icon button. The next is to input adornment. Here right input adornment. Okay, so just here import all the component from the material UI and let's check here. This is your Y grid is all import declaration are unused. Grid is deprecated. The declaration was marked as deprecated here. hmm But don't worry. Let's go to the site and check for the here first. The thing here is snake bar. Copy this. Then go to the Google. Here search the MUI snake bar notification. Basically, it is used to notifications. Okay, so here you can just get idea for the snake bar. Here you see that. Now you see that this is a snake bar. So we will implement this type of notification system. You see now you see that. Let here you see that bottom center, bottom right, and then top right, top left, top bottom. Okay, so here we have getting all the about the snake bar. Okay, so how you can use that you will see here. Got it. So it is we will implement the similar functionality. You see that this is also here we will implement the icon. Okay, so here so success snake bar. Got it. So here everything is fine. Got it. So in the next video we will create the input field and then we will hold the input given by the user. Okay, so thanks for watching. I will see you in the next videos.